Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you or going to show you how to download Wallpaper Engine. So the first one that you need to do is to visit the Wallpaper Engine website. So you need to go to the Wallpaper Engine website at www.wallpaperengine.io. Next is to purchase and download the software. So on the website's homepage, you'll find a Buy Now button right here. So click onto it to purchase the software. Wallpaper Engine is available for purchase on platforms like Steam. So follow the instructions to complete the purchase. Next one is to install the Steam. So if you don't have Steam installed on your computer or laptop, you'll need to install it first. So visit the official Steam website at store.steampower.com and click on the Install Steam button. So follow the instructions to download and install the Steam client. Next one is to launch Steam and log in. So once is installed, launch it and log in using your Steam account credentials. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. And then you need to activate Wallpaper Engine. So in Steam, click on the Library tab at the top to access your game library. So in the search bar at the top right corner, type Wallpaper Engine and select it from the search results. So on the Wallpaper Engine page, click on the play button to activate the software. Next is to customize your wallpaper. So after launching Wallpaper Engine, you'll have access to a wide range of wallpapers. So from the Wallpaper Engine workshop. So browse the workshop to find and download wallpapers of your choice. You can sort wallpapers by popularity, rating, or search for specific themes. Next is to apply a wallpaper. So once you have downloaded a wallpaper, it will appear in your Wallpaper Engine library. So select the wallpaper you want to use and click on the Apply button to set it as your desktop background. So remember that you can always pause this video or always go back the video in order to follow the processes at your own time. And Wallpaper Engine offers a variety of interactive and dynamic wallpapers, including 2D and 3D visuals, animated backgrounds, and more. So you can also create your own wallpapers using the software's built-in editor or import wallpapers from other services. So note that Wallpaper Engine is a paid software and it requires Steam to be installed on your computer. So make sure you have a stable internet connection and sufficient disk space available for downloading and installing the software on wallpapers. So that is all for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.